Welcome. Today we'll be looking at adjectives in Bemba translated to English. Imvimvi, dark. Ukusanika or ukubeka, bright. Oma, dry. Womba, wet. Dalala, cold. Kava, hot. Pia, ripe. Vishi, raw, unripe, or uncooked. Kaba, warm. Shifulefule, lukewarm. The grammatical rules for adjectives differ in English and in Bemba. So in English, you have the adjective first and then noun. So cold is the adjective and then the noun water comes after. But in Bemba, things change. So the noun amenshi comes before the adjective ayadalala. So amenshi ayadalala. And then dry bones, similarly. So dry, the adjective, and then bones is the noun. Amafupa is the bones, and then ayaoma is the adjective, which means dry. So amafupa ayaoma, dry bones. And then another example of how cold or talala will be used in a sentence, talala, is umsunga wandi na talala. So my porridge is cold. Umsunga just simply means my porridge. Or umusunga wandi ule talala. My porridge is getting cold. So in the first example, we used a past tense saying that it is cold. Like that's what's happening right now. And then ule talala means that it's becoming cold. So ile change, it's becoming more cold with time. Thank you so much for watching.